I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Pokeraid and signing in so the app has a profile to save strategies and sessions. Once installed, create or link your account and complete verification. This secures your data. Make sure to enable permissions only as needed: microphone or camera for live coaching, location for regional events. After login, tap New Session to start. This is the first actionable step because it initializes the HUD and solver cache you'll use immediately. Once done with login, import at least one hand history so Pokeraid can analyze patterns. This provides the raw data the HUD and solvers need. Next, configure your HUD layout and hotkeys so reads appear where your eyes naturally go during play. Then set solver parameters such as sample size and exploit preferences. These choices change recommendations, so match them to your table's speed and stakes. Make periodic adjustments while observing how suggested lines differ from. Now you move into live use. Enable the HUD overlay, begin recording hands, and follow the app's actionable prompts during play to practice lines. After each session, enter review mode to tag confusing hands, run solver replays, and export notes for study. This reinforces why you made each decision. If something goes wrong, first refresh the cache and reconnect logs. If HUD won't display, toggle permissions or reinstall the overlay component. Reach out to support with logs only after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.